You can actually help grant wishes for kids like Victor by participating in the Walk for Wishes. It's estimated that 840 children in the Mid-Atlantic region will be diagnosed with a critical illness this year alone. So money raised will go toward improving the lives of local charities by granting them a wish. The family-friendly walk is coming up on April 29th. It starts at Rashfield at the Inner Harbor. There's going to be music, carnival games, food, face painting, and the chance to hear firsthand from the Wish kids about their experiences. Registration is free. ABC2's Mallory Safaste will be there. Sign up now to be a superhero for local kids battling illnesses.
That was